What is the main advantage of using an air fryer? B. Healthier cooking option. How does an air fryer cook food? B. Using hot air circulation. Which of the following foods can be cooked in an air fryer? B. French fries. What is the recommended amount of oil needed for cooking in an air fryer? C. No oil required. What is the approximate cooking temperature range of an air fryer? B. 150, 200 degrees Celsius. What is the purpose of the basket in an air fryer? B. To hold food while cooking. Which of the following is a common safety feature in air fryers? A. Automatic shutoff. How does an air fryer compare to a traditional deep fryer in terms of oil usage? B. Air fryer uses less oil. What type of cleaning is required for an air fryer after use? A. Hand wash with soap and water. Which cooking method does an air fryer not utilize? C. Boiling.